Hey gorgeous, welcome to my channel. My name is Lily Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And if you are back, welcome back. We are doing splits today. Everything's about splits today. There's so many ways you can do different splits in twerk choreos, and there is some ways that you will basically always find, or alterations you'll always find in twerk choreos when you go to twerk classes. So I'm gonna give you a head start and go over them with you. If you want, put knee pads on. I didn't bring my knee pads, so whoopsie. But that's okay. We are going to come down to the floor. We're gonna start with a pigeon pose. That will be the easiest variation for you to change up your splits. Lots of teachers will teach this. So what you do, you come to all fours, you bring one knee, I don't care which one you do, which one you bring to the front. You bring one to the front and the other one to the back, and you just sit down. You can even lean a little bit to the back if it's a bit too much for your hamstring. Sitting on top of your leg, you can just lean a little bit to the back. People from the front are not gonna see, I promise. Then, second, you can, well, do the same thing, but in splits. So you can either sit on top of your splits, or you can lean a little bit to the back. Let me show you what that looks like. I'll show you from the side, because then it's easy to understand. Wait, let's do this one. So you can come to the splits, whichever leg is easiest for you. And then you can either do this, where you can sit in the middle, or you can do this. You have a little V going on with your legs, as you can see. And again, let me show you that from this side as well. No one's gonna know. No one's gonna know that you are doing this. So you can either go into the splits, this is the normal splits, or you can hang a little bit here. No one's gonna know. Look how cute this looks. Look how the booty's bootying. We love it. The glutes are gluty. Then you have another option that lots of teachers, which will give it a little extra spunk. Some teachers will teach this. In my choreos, you'll see this so often. You do a little jump before you come into the splits. Now, I want you to choose the variation that's easiest for you, because if you're jumping and coming down into something that, or a position that you do not fully you cannot fully do with your flexibility, it's gonna hurt. So choose the one that's a little bit easy for you. For me, I'm just gonna do it today. I'm not fully warm, so I'm gonna be doing the pigeon pose. So we are gonna, let's practice it from here first. So we come on our hands and our knees and our toes. So you have 3 points or 6 points of contact basically. And we're gonna tuck jump up. So you try to do a little handstand, not really. Don't push that far that you're gonna flip over. That was my biggest fear, honestly, when practicing this for the first time years ago. You tuck jump, you touch your booty with your heels. So let me show you from here as well. You go tuck jump. Then, instead of just coming down on your hand or your feet again, you're gonna come down into the position that you wanna go to. So we are here. You tuck jump, and then you land. Yes? Let's try that with a little hop. You don't have to go for the big hop immediately. Just do a little hop and go down. Yes? So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Tuck jump, boom. Make sure that when you come down on the top of your foot first. So let me show you that. I can obviously not do this in slow motion, but I will try. You go bum, bum. You see? My knees are not even touching the floor. So you come down on the tops of your foot. That is the most important thing when doing a tuck jump. Now try it a few times, and then let me know in the comments how it went. And I hope to see you back for our next tutorial.